How to turn on or turn off Use Fingerprint for Samsung Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. In here, scroll down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Then go to the Security section and tap on Use Fingerprint. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Switch on Fingerprint. When you turn it on, tap on the Turn On button from the pop-up. And then simply enter in your PIN. And then we need to verify with fingerprint. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off Use Fingerprint for Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.